Hello guys, welcome to Enjami Gameplay. In this video we are going to see how to take wickets in real cricket. So watch this video till the end. I'm going to share with you a super trick to take wicket in real cricket easily. By using this trick you can take wicket in hard mode, hardcore, even in expert mode also. This trick helped me a lot to take wickets in real cricket. Due to that reason only I am willing to share this trick with you. So stay tuned till the end. I'm going to share a super tricks. Before seeing the tricks, like this video and subscribe our channel. So it could be motivation for us to make some more real cricket game related videos. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to take wicket in real cricket. So without any delay, let us move on for our first trick. We should pick the team with 4 fast bowlers and 2 spinners. The fast bowlers are used for controlling the runs and also helps to put pressure on the batsman. We are going to take wickets using the spinners. The second tip is field set. By using this field set we are going to take the wickets. If you want, pause the video and take the screenshot. This field set is important to take the wickets and also to control the runs. By this the batsman is going to be get into a pressure where he can't able to score the runs. Due to this, definitely you would be going for a use shot. The third tip is here. Change the bowler run up side according to the batsman's left hand or right hand. If the batsman is left hand, you should bowl to the umpire's right side. If the batsman is right hand side, you should bowl umpire's left side. According to that, we need to change the bowler run up, so that we can able to control, and at some cases we can also take the wickets like this. So the fourth tip is bowling line and length. The same position what I am showing in the screen, it should be followed to control and also to take the wicket. This line is very important because the batsman would be on the pressure in this line. So follow this line. In this line you should put the ball, and the length might be varying like a good slot or Yorker, but this length is very important to control runs. As batsman is not able to take the runs, definitely is going to be tempted and go for a use shot. At that time we can easily able to take the wickets. Even in real cricket, you know that it's very hard to hit the shots. So only the same thing applies for the real cricket game also, where we are going to be easily able to get the wicket when we are going for this type of line and length ball. So follow this trick to take the wickets easily in real cricket. Here also you can see that when I am bowling in that line, I could able to take the wicket easily. So by the help of these fast bowlers also we can able to control it, at the same time able to take the wicket also. But the spinners are the key important wicket takers in this field set. Let us now see the fifth trick. Using the spinners we are going to take the wicket. As the fast bowlers control the batsman, not able to take more runs, so the batsman gets tempted and tries to go for a huge shot. Here is the trick. You should put the ball in this slot length. The batsman would be thinking that in this line and length it is easy to hit the shot, but actually according to this field set it is very hard to hit this kind of line and length ball, so it is going to be catch or stumping. If you are going to follow all these steps, definitely you can able to take wickets in real cricket so easily. The first trick is to take 4 fast bowlers and 2 spinners. The 4 fast bowler is to put the pressure on the batsman, 2 spin bowlers to take the wickets. The second tip is the field set. In third trick, if it is a right hand batsman, we should bowl from the left hand side of the umpire, and if it is a left hand batsman we should bowl from the right hand side of the umpire. Fourth trick is bowling line and length. When you follow all these 4 tricks, definitely we can able to take the wickets by using the help of the spinners. That is the fifth trick. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are struggling to take wickets in real cricket. Until then, bye from Enjami Gameplay.